It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Time to get some things tidied up. Hi, I'm Sharon and my YouTube channel is Sharon Shornagel, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn who started this collaboration. And we do a playlist once a month now. And I believe that playlist will be next week, not this week. So anyhow, thanks again, Sunday Dawn. And her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. So please go check her out. She does all kinds of great things on her channel. So today, I got this little vacuum cleaner. I got it from Temu, and I'm going to see how it does just picking up the toaster crumbs in this cupboard. I got it mainly to pick up stuff off my desk when I'm doing my fairy gardens and stuff. So, but I thought I would try it here and see if it'll pick up the crumbs in here. Okay, we got lots of crumbs in here because this is where we keep the toaster. So this cupboard stayed pretty organized from the last time I organized it. So I'm just going to take a few things. Oops. Just going to take this stuff off this shelf so I can vacuum the whole shelf. There we go. Okay, I'm going to set you in the cupboard. Put you downwards. Now there's not really any crumbs here. Well, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here and clicked on my channel and staying to watch. And if you're new here, would you please subscribe, please? I really will appreciate it. And say hello so I can say hello back. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Okay, now this little vacuum cleaner seems to be working pretty good picking up these crumbs. So let's just sit and watch this for a second and see how it does. I was quite pleased. And there was lots of room in the little thing where it holds the crumbs. There was lots of room yet to pick up more crumbs and stuff. So I think this is going to work out really well for my fairy garden stuff to pick up the dust from the moss and stuff. So anyhow, I was quite pleased with this. Well, I think that picked up the crumbs really well. So now I'm going to give it a spray and with my vinegar water and just wash it out because there's a few little sticky parts. Set it in the cupboard for a second. And we'll just give this a wipe. We'll just get some of these spots. We're sticky. Nope, I don't need anything from the store, thanks. Okay, that's nice and that shelf is nice and clean. Come here, you. Dry it off. There we go. Now, I'm going to put everything back. There we Cupboard's all nice and clean. So we'll put these pots back in. I think I might put this. Just fit. Not really. Nope. Just gonna put a little tray for my toaster to sit on, but I guess it doesn't matter that much. Oh, a little dirty spot down there. There we go. Okay, let's bring the toaster down and put it away. I had it for my toast this morning. My toaster has 2 trays, so I'm going to, oh, they're pretty dirty. Okay, let's clean that off. There we go. That one's done. And this one. With a little shake over the sink. Get the crumbs out. Okay. In a nice clean spot. And it just fits. Well, it used to fit. There we go. There we go. Okay. That shelf is clean. Now I'm gonna do the shelf on top. Okay, and bring this one out. And the scale. Oh, we have a few crumbs up here. And this stuff can go up here. There's my bowls. What recipe this is. I don't think it is. Oh, I can go in the garbage. Okay, I'll get my little vacuum and okay. Spray it. Wipe along the front as well. Okay, now we'll just give it a wipe out. I don't know what that mark is. Yeah, it might have come off with the eraser guide. I don't feel like getting them out. And coffee spilled down here. Must have been open. We'll take the tea towel. There we go. Now I'll put all this stuff back in. There. I believe the bowls. These go next. No, the bowls go next. And the pot. And there's that cupboard. All nice and clean. We may as well clean the front of it. Okay, that's nice. Oh, and down here, I as well wipe up the fronts of my drawers. I always need to wipe. Give them a spray. Oh, I forgot to put the scale back in. I know hubby likes to use that. He is the cook. Okay, there. That's nice. And down here, I'm gonna wipe off my stove. Needs a bit of, it needs a bit of attention. It hasn't been wiped for a long time. So I just sprayed it with water and vinegar. And these are just some tidies I've been wanting to do around the house for a while. And I wanted to, of course, play with my little vacuum I got. And it seems to hold a bit, so that's good. Okay, let's try this off. There we go. That's looking better. Okay, I'll look it down below. And this drawer could probably be vacuumed, but I'm not doing that today. And we'll dry this. Okay, that's the front, looks much better. Hang up my pretty tea towel. Got a clean towel on the dishcloth. And I'm just going to clean up the crumbs that are on my counter. These are the crumbs that came out of the toaster. So just wipe everything up good. Pick those up. And we'll shake them in the garbage. Okay. Oops. That's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a couple of little tasks done that I wanted to get done for a while in the kitchen. And we'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. And thanks again, Sunday Dawn from the Help Home. Okay, we'll see you all again. Bye.